You want to replace your Logitech G Series earpads. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the way, the earpads that you will see in the video today are going to fit multiple Logitech G Series models. For a full list, you're going to see it on the screen right now. So let's start the video. Okay, so let's start. So the headphones that I have here are the G935, but as I said, the method is going to apply for all the models that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So the first step is going to be to remove the earpad. You're simply going to pull the earpad from here, and then you're going to slide it off from that little gap right here that this backside lip, try to get a good look for you to see, this backside lip goes into. And that's how you also install the cushions. All right, we'll move this aside. And for this video, I'm gonna be using our Wicked cushions, and I'm gonna be using our red camo. If you wanna hear more about them, stay to the end of this video and I'll show you a little bit of the differences between them and the originals. So, for our Wicked cushions, you have an R and a left symbol, so it's gonna be easy to know which is for which. This is the right side right here. The way I do it is I hold the cushion like this, with my index finger inside, and I try to slide a part of the backside lip into place, and then I hold it with my other finger, okay? While I hold it, I keep on stretching the earpad to fit, and then I still keep the pressure on the parts that are inside, flip the headset, keep stretching with your other hand till everything is inside, then I give it a little back and forth shuffle just to tuck it in. And I'm gonna adjust it like this. And then I'm gonna move to the left side, do the same thing. A little shuffle. And that is it. You have successfully replaced it. Now let me show you some of the differences between the originals and our WC Freeze. And first thing you notice, this is our 90s black design. You will notice how much bigger our cushion is. The ear opening is bigger, it's thicker, and if you know our WC Freeze, it is made with cooling gel. A layer of cooling gel on the top, a layer of cooling gel on the inside of the cushion. The top is also made out of airway fabric, and the inside and the outside are made out of PU leather. If you want to try these out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.